Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. I just want to take a moment here to take a look at the shorter time frame. In yesterday's update, we also looked at the daily chart, the larger time frame. So if that interests you, I recommend you check it out. The parameters here on the smaller time frame, I think, are particularly important as we're heading towards the weekly candle close. First resistance area is between 3,466 and $3,603. That's an initial micro resistance area, which is relevant. If we break above this first resistance, the next upper resistance area comes into focus between $3,775 and $4,000 basically. In addition, and I'm just highlighting the resistance levels for now, we have the upper boundary line of our trend channel here, which is important. And the price has been in this channel now for quite some time. It's not the most, it's not the most reliable channel, not very well defined, but still though, we do have some touch points there, and the upper boundary line is running through our Fibonacci resistance levels anyway, right? So I think we need to pay close attention to how the price now reacts to the 38.2 retracement that we're just testing at the 3,466 level. I also pointed that out already in our member update earlier today. Look, we do have a first bounce, pullback, higher low, yeah, and we might see it grind higher accordingly, as long as we hold above the Friday low. This is key. This level is key. I think I shared yesterday with you how the market could try to grind higher. To be honest, this could still be a yellow wave 4 as well. To make the yellow count, which is the short-term bearish one, to make that less likely, we need to break above the lower resistance area. I mean, that's why it's there, right? This is wave 4 resistance. And an extended ABC structure could develop and reach the upper resistance area. The bottom line is, these could still just be 3 wave movements, either like this and goodbye, or ABC. There are many forms how this could unfold, even as a more complex WXY structure in wave B. I'm not trying to show you all the different pathways the market could take in this B wave. I'm not trying to guess the right pathway. I'm just showing you, let's say the most probable pathways here. It's just important that as long as we're holding the Friday low, orange count has a chance here, yeah, in this form, in a possible C wave to the upside, if wave B in orange already bottomed on Friday. And it's important to understand as well that we are kind of in the middle of a range here. We haven't even broken above any resistance, and we haven't seen the market form a 5 wave move up. And that is really what's most important, not so much the labels or anything, but that we do not yet have a sign, a meaningful signal that a lasting low has been established here, even though it's possible. But for now, while the price is pushing against resistances, and I think there is a good chance that we go a little higher, possibly $3,600, maybe even reach the upper boundary of the trend channel, until we actually get a proper sequence of 5 waves. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and a break above upper resistance, and this swing high here from Monday the 3rd at around 3,920, there isn't really a strong sign that the bulls are taking the lead. For now, over the weekend, we've just seen consolidation, but actually it looks a bit like an ascending triangle here that's forming, right? With this as key resistance line. You see that? Around the 38.2 retracement. It shows again how relevant these technical levels are. Ethereum has, over the last few days, respected both support and resistance levels. I keep you updated about any changes. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. You can find a link in the comment section here. You can find additional updates that we don't necessarily cover on YouTube. Lots of other stuff, clips from our member live sessions. By the way, today we've got our live session again at 5 p.m. UTC. So thanks so much. Bye-bye.